Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of confident. Self-confidence is a feeling or expression of confidence in oneself. For example, we require outgoing, confident people able to approach large groups. American pronunciation. Confident. Confident. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Confident. Say. Confident. Confident means feeling or showing confidence in oneself. Confident. Confident. Confident origin. Late 16th century, from French confidente, Italian confidente and Latin confidente. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Privileged kids are far more relaxed and confident in huge, posh colleges. Now, repeat after me. Privileged kids are far more relaxed and confident in huge, posh colleges. The second practice. They are also happier, more confident and develop better abilities to concentrate. Now, repeat after me. They are also happier, more confident and develop better abilities to concentrate.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.